when it's quiet. 'Cause they are lying. Oh, so quiet. They are lying. Lately I have learned that they come and they go just as fast. They are slowly fading through the smoke, and I can hear myself think I'm Demons enter in my head and they destroy everything. My demons tell